I don't mean to alarm you, Paul, but there's something very wrong with your bricks. They've gotten sick because they're the wrong colour. No, actually, we moved on the 10th of October, and this is the current place that we're in. So, to recap, earlier in the year my mum died. We were living with her, caring for her, and the Woodnight, my workshop, has always been in that one spot. So you've always seen that one particular garage. We're in the process of selling that house, and eventually we'll buy our own house, and in the meantime we are now renting. Having the house clear of our stuff makes the whole process of selling the house a lot easier. So at the moment we've moved out to a rental, and we are extremely comfortable in this place. It is wonderful. The workshop, well, the garage, the double garage, is not quite a workshop. I'm slowly setting it up, and it's taken me quite some time because we have a lot of other commitments going on with the house that we need to get ready to sell. Table saw works, workbench is here. That's all I've really gotten to test so far. Probably be another week or so before I'm back to making videos, because I've got a couple that are 90% done, but that last 10% I have to find the right thing to unpack to actually finish that project. So that's a little bit frustrating, but that's why I've been quiet lately, because first I didn't have my camera, then I didn't have my microphone, then I didn't have any lights, and this place, this garage, is not set up as a workshop at all. It has one light fixture and it gets dark in here. So it's pretty dark without the video lights. This is the exact same settings, just single overhead light. It's not very great. Hopefully we're only going to be in this situation for 6 months or so. That's what we're aiming for. If it's longer term, whatever, that's fine, but hopefully shorter would be better so that we can be properly permanently set up. I'm not going to do any how to set up a workshop and organize stuff real good, because again, this is hopefully a temporary setup, so I don't really have time to get everything optimized in the best way and then have to move again, because that would just be annoying. I will be able to next time move a lot better, and perhaps even give us some moving tips, because this is the first time I've moved to workshops, so I've got a better idea now, but we'll see. Again, hopefully back to regular videos. Probably won't be doing any furniture, but lots of smaller scale stuff definitely is in my future, and I am looking forward to that in a more removed from stress situation that we've been in for the last 12 months or so. That's all. Thanks for watching. I'm not dead. Yay.